Sibuyile. What it do? Hey. Eastside Johnny, he's back. He said the album is dropping soon. He's done with it. So, yeah. And Redemption was a fire album. Redemption was
Shout out to him. I don't know why it took him so long, but yeah.
I think it was the COVID thing or whatever.
And that's a weird...
When was last? Was 2018, yeah? That was the last time, yeah.
He's featuring Lato.
And Anderson .Paak.
That's weird. That's a weird combo.
Not really. J-Rock is like, he's a commercial artist. He's not like the other TDE artists where it's like going into writer's blocks and stuff, but he's just like a commercial artist.
I can't picture him in South Central listening to Lato. But yeah.
But what I will say, Anderson .Paak is a cheat code. Like if you want to talk to him, he's a cheat code.
Ask YBN Corday.
Move, you too slow, bruh. Update, time to V8 the motor. Everybody asking where I get the dope from. Update, I ain't never told no one. No sweat when you're doing what you're supposed to do. No stress.
I'm tired of seeing asses in videos, eh? I mean, I love women, but Jesus, how much ass can you show?
That's when I'm checking up on them.
Let's show a face too.
Like, yeah, like, let's do a challenge. Like,
let's have an ass and a face. I don't know how that would work.
For the next 6 months, I don't want to see asses in videos. I want to see beautiful...
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see dicks in music videos.
So it's good enough.
Every move, jumping out the moon roof to the solar. I can see you niggas starting over. Pull over, that ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash. Yes, I'm feeling like a new man. I was dreaming in the night, and I woke up in the
6 straight rack top with the candy paint in your bitch face. Eat the cake anime. Niggas acting animated. I might have to draw the weapon. Send a step up.
Why the fuck did you shave the beard off, bro?
Yeah, that's what I want to know.
You look older now.
He looks older.
Up the stairway to heaven. I'm a fan. Put a pole dancer in a Mercedes. She wanna watch P Valley and go half on a baby. I had to play her to the left, flag in my right pocket. Space in my waist for the rocket. Don't get out of pocket. Yep. You don't want that. It's giving what it's giving. No kizzy. I ain't never seen an ass like that. Stomach on snatch. Swinging 1942 like a baseball bat. Right. I send them home running. The brain ain't
That's sir.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know nothing.
So this is what it's been up to. Sir,
we
we need an album from you, sir.
need you to slap Charlamagne. I'm joking.
Niggas talking heavy, this a feather on my wing. VVS, Diamond, Eastside, Johnny, I'm king. I mean,
pull over, that ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash. Pull over, that ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash.
Yep, it is. That's what he's also subjected himself to. Being a background artist.
Ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash.
Hey.
Yes, I'm feeling like a new man. I was dreaming in the life, then I woke up in the...
behind 5% tent. Like pull up to the party, pay a bad bitch rent. We ain't blood, we ain't kin, don't be calling me sis. First bitch, sneak diss, first block, get pink. Big, I don't not the little one. Bitches wanna come up, ain't gon' give them one. Pull up in the skirt, then I pull off in a different one. A bigger one, expensive one, a Lammy or something. Put a switch on the ass like a granny or something. Hey! Niggas get knocked out, signed the RCA, but I be
Why are you
feeling like...
knocking people out? Girls they're concerningly violent these days. Like, why are girls talking about beating each other up and stuff?
Pull up in the skirt,
I think it's the male writers that are writing this.
Yeah, like...
In which case, young niggas are writing for these
Guys,
guys.
come on. Seeing 2 girls fight is an anomaly. Like, it almost never happens.
The problem is, there's niggas that are writing for these girls and they are writing about beating up women. I think that's a deeper issue that we need to address.
They beating up bitches.
I pull off in a different one, a bigger one, expensive one, a Lammy or something. Put a switch on the ass like a granny or something. Niggas get knocked out.
She's rapping like she has bills to pay. She's rapping like she has bills to pay.
Somebody threw something at her while she was performing. I think last week or...
Is it a condom?
No, why would you throw a condom?
Girls throw bras. What can guys throw?
Balls. I'm joking.
RCA, but I be feeling like topped out. Probably getting topped out. Somewhere with the top out. Never did the talking, always been when they top out.
Yo, dog, fake teeth just stick out. Like, you can always tell when someone's teeth is fake. Like,
what about tits? Look at this abortion that she has.
Pull over that ass too fat. fuck him good, pat myself on the bed. This the hell of a cat, no scat. I look like a Barbie, act just like a prat.
Pull over that ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash. Pull over that ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash. Pull over that ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Anderson Park is
He's a cheat code.
He's a cheat code.
Edison
He's
Beck
a
is
cheat code.
Yes, I'm feeling like a new man. I was dreaming in the life, then I woke up in the Pacaveli. I done died and went to heaven, came back in the 1963 Chevy with Go Pirellis. I just wanted something better, anything to feed my belly. Now I got the seat at the
He
table.
has 2 verses.
And she even tell me, baby, I'm a whole Harlem. Belly died and went to heaven, came back in the 1963 Chevy with Go Pirellis. I just wanted something better, anything to feed my belly. Now I got the seat at the table. And she even tell me, baby, I'm a whole Harlem. Put a lot of people on, gotta keep a run. Don't panic when I hit the bomb. I was up dumb late, waiting for back chasing. A birdie on my shoulder told me slow up. It's about patience. Fourth quarter throwing lobs out of desperation. I was lost, nigga. That's why I love you, girl. I swear to God. Pour the silver ray all on you.
Hey, it's jumping, boy. It's jumping. Can you say it's jumping, my man? It's jumping.
Love you, girl. I swear to God. Pour the silver ray all on you, girl. Let's go. Move and move, you too slow, bro. Update, time to V8 the motor. Everybody asking where I get the dope from. Update, I ain't never told no one. No sweat when you're doing what you're supposed to do. No stress when I'm tricking up on every move. Jumping out the moon to the solar. I can see you niggas starting over. Pull over that ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash. Pull over that ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash. Pull over
ass,
that
nigga.
ass too fast. Hit the ATM and grab more cash.
More ass.
Yes, Lord,
More
feeling like a
cash.
new man. I was dreaming in the life, then I woke up in the.
Grab more ass. I don't know why I talk about cash.
Lindo.
We need to be grabbing ass.
Hey, Lindo.
To melt you
I'm yoga.
by the Lind Master Chocolate.
I don't need chocolate.
Hey,
I'm not a bad bitch.
Intombi. Sizozala kumina ngiphethe
Hey,
ushokolate.
I don't have cravings, me. Don't.
Shut the fuck up, you're trying to get money. Come to Rupert, just baby Steve said no. But no, I'm fine enough. Mhlambe sihlafuna futhi. But yeah, we here. That was J-Rock, Anderson Paak.
Shout out to
Nato.
J-Rock. He's back. I don't know why he shaved the beard.
Yeah, but
He looks like a newly shaved nutsack. Hey, Lato was rapping there. Hey, Lato was rapping like
but she's
Lato.
always like that though.
Who, Lato?
Lato,
No,
yeah.
she doesn't rap like that.
She always does, bro. Trust me.
She spits.
Yeah.
I think it's the songs that I've heard. It's like, okay.
But in any case, give that a huge like. Subscribe, suggest any video you'd like us to react to.
And
It's
shout out to
important.
Anderson Park.
Anderson Paak is a shit, bro.
Is it Pack or Park?
They say Pack. I've never heard anyone say Pack. They say Anderson Paak.
Hey, it's not my fault that this nigga cannot spell.
But yeah, it doesn't make
Just-
sense because
just-
what does two A's mean?
Just because it's wrong, it doesn't mean that I have to be wrong.
But in any case,
You are Park, nigga.
no, it's wrong. Two A. There's no word that has 2 A's.
That's why it's Park.
But in any case, yeah, that was a great song. I liked it. I mean, it's right here. It does its business. It's going to be killing the strip clubs, with the yeast infections. And I'm joking.
Let's go. Let's go.
STD in the house. I'm joking.
Yeah, nigga, on crip.
STI on your health. I'm joking.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was good. I liked it. Anyway, tomorrow.